Bakit mas mahal ang corner lot kahit ang daming hassle? Legit question yan. Kung nag-iisip ka rin bakit premium price pero extra trabaho, you're not alone. There's more snow to shovel, more grass to cut, mas kita ka sa kalsada, less privacy, parang mas marami pang ang cons kesa pros, di ba? Here's the real deal. Ito yung mga pros and cons in plain sight. Ang mga pros, mas malaki usually ang lot size. One less neighbor sa isang side, more windows, more natural light. Mas maganda ang curb appeal kung ikaw yung stand out na house. Better ang airflow, mas open ang paligid. Ang cons naman, there's more maintenance. Ito yung grass, no garbage from wind. Mas exposed or less ang privacy. Mas madali kang gawing landmark ng Google Maps at chismis. Some people cut across your property, lalo na kids, headlights at car noise from two streets. Ang bottom line, corner lots are not good or bad. Depende sa personality mo. If gusto mo ng space, visibility, bragging rights, go for it. If quiet, privacy, low maintenance life, maybe skip. Kung gusto mo malaman kung fair ang price ng corner lot na tinitingnan mo, message mo lang ako. I'll walk you through the real numbers so hindi ka napapabili dahil sa hype or napapaskip dahil sa fear. Home buying shouldn't feel like guessing. DM mo ko if you want clarity, not confusion.